Write a program to find the list is empty or not. Okay, so there are two methods I can show you. Method number one, we can use a len inbuilt function method to find the list is empty or not. So there is a list. Let's check the length of list is greater than 0. That means the list is not empty. Otherwise, list is empty. Let's check it. See, list is not empty because we have some items here. Method number two, we can compare your list with the empty list. Okay, so what we need to do here is we have to, this is our list. Okay, let's say 2 3, and I need to compare this with the empty list. So this is a, I'm comparing it, and if it is like my list is not equal to the empty list, then list is not empty, otherwise list is empty. Okay, let me comment it out first one, first method. Okay, now I try to execute the third one, next method. So here you can see the list is not empty. So there are two methods. Basically we have number of methods to check this thing, but I'm displaying here using the length method, len inbuilt method, and we can compare your list with the empty list.